strawberry slush?
That. Those
Guys,
shut up. Cootie.
you're sure out in front of a camera. That's all I gotta say.
Too much.
What?
Your uppance will come.
Don't get punched. That's what we'll see. Because the other is a tag
Why take a picture of yourself
on your
there?
face.
I'm not taking a picture of
Not like that. Not like
So,
that.
you
No,
might want to
no,
delete this and edit this because he just said something very gay.
Well, it's on low battery anyway now.
We're just gonna let's go.
Pop
They
some of that out.
finally gone.
Push your head against the wall. Don't.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, Darius.
You won.
Yeah. Street Fighter X Tekken is not that good, not that bad.
What and what? What did you say?
What are your man
I
ass saying?
said that you know the game Street Fighter X Tekken. You said it looked like it's gonna suck. Well, it didn't.
So you have it?
I'm
Nope.
about to.
How you about to?
Monday, Granny said that I'm gonna get the game for Monday when I want it.
So how you know it doesn't suck? You play a demo?
Huh?
You play a demo?
What the heck is this, Dre?
We asking you a question. Why are you
Don't
jumping
be
in?
in front of
No.
Step up,
Stop work. What the hell?
Bob knows about this. It's like a little bump from
Get away
me
from me.
writings somewhere. It's the hand I used to write,
Like
slow
a-
down.
You're a mutant. You're a damn darky mutant.
Don't do
You.
that. That's really gonna mess with him. Don't do that. It's a wart.
But no,
It's not a
there.
wart.
You been touching frogs?
No.
You molested some frogs?
Frog
Kissing
kissed on
Kermit?
him. Frog kissed on his hand.
Huh?
A frog kissed on his hand.
Frog pissed on your hand?
That's what
Don't
they
pick
call
at it. It's gonna get
It's
nasty.
gonna get worse.
This isn't a wart.
Stop touching it.
It's a bruise and a swelling in my hand.
It's a wart.
And there to answer your
Mom
question,
told me what it
Everybody's
was.
a doctor. Everybody's a
And
doctor.
Everybody got Dr. I want to say on WebMD now all of a sudden.
Let me look at my doctor.
And there-
So, what nigger have you been rubbing on?
who?
What's the guy who played Kermit?
Derek.
The voiceover for some black guy that does the voiceover? You been rubbing him inappropriately?
That's
Oh,
answer your
no.
question, Derek. No.
Yeah.
So you haven't played it yet, but you know the video game is gonna be the shit.
No, I didn't say it's gonna be the bomb.
You just said
I
it's not
love
gonna
the
suck.
transformation.
What? Shut up!
I didn't say it's gonna be very,
Get off
very
my
good.
planet. Get off my planet.
Why you? I didn't
Get
say
off
it's
my
gonna be. I was gonna say it's gonna be very, very. It's not gonna be perfect.
It's not gonna be perfect.
It's not gonna be perfect. I'm just saying it's not bad. It's not gonna be bad.
How do you know? Have you played it?
No, it's
Have
my
you-
opinion.
Have you looked at the ranking on it? What grade did they give them?
Yeah, you
I
came
didn't
out yet. It
say
comes out Tuesday.
It
I
comes
think
out
a
Tuesday.
9.5.
So how the in blue hell you gonna get it on Monday if it don't come out to Tuesday?
I mean Tuesday.
How you gonna get it on Tuesday if your grandma's doing it?
She's gonna bring it out Tuesday.
How in
She
the
said she gonna go give me the rest of the games Monday. I go get that on Tuesday.
what Tuesday?
She doesn't have same day shipping for 8 hours.
If she got that, more power to both of y'all. That's expensive. Money's no object when it comes to you, huh?
Oh, I'm special.
I'm gonna go buy the game
I'm the
anyways.
red boy. I'm special.
Oh. Light skin wins, huh?
Yep.
God dang field. I mean, house niggers and field niggers.
So me.